Hi there, hi everyone, boys and girls. We have here a binary in this edition of today's newspaper of Thursday. Yes, it's still Thursday, June the 25th, 2022. I have two puzzles left: the tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary, and it's binary time. Yes, binary number 4745. All right. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Then. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be no. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. If I place in this row the 4th O here, then we still have 1, 2, 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Alright, and I know between a 1 and an O, with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, second O, third O, and a 4th O. So this box should be a 1. Alright. Then. 1, 2, 3. 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we still have 3 ones in a row, in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. If I place in the first row the 4th O here, 1, 2, 3, 4, then we still have 3 ones in the first row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Alright. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first one, the second one, the third and the 4th one in this column. So that box should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Then, let me see. Between two ones comes an O. Yeah. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have a first one, second one, the third one, and the 4th one. So this box should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Okay. Then. Let me think. Yeah. Can we compare? We have 2 columns. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3. 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, 1, 2, 3, 4, then we have 1, 2, 3. 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so here can be no. Here should be a 1. Okay. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Alright. Let me think. Can we compare? Alright, this cannot be compared. 10, 10. Do we have a 10, 10 here? 10. No, no, no. We do not have a row. We cannot compare the rows. So it must be the columns. Double 1 here. 101. Or double 1 there. Well. Come on. It's taking too long. Where is the opening? Oh, 10. Come on. Where's the opening? 1. 3 ones we have here in the second row. If I place number 4 here, then we have 4 O's in a row in this second row. So here can be a 1, here should be an O. If I place the second 1, 2, 3, the fourth one here, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones in the second row, so the rest are O's. Then. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then. Can I compare? Yeah, we can. Not compare. Cannot compare. And for those 2 rows are the same. Not true. Okay. 1, 2, 3. No. Think. 1, 2, 3. 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 4 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. If I place the O, the fourth O in this column here, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Finish in 8 minutes. Wow, this one very complicated without any comparing, but you need to find the O's and the 1s. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later on with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.